Starting around 25 August 2023, Algorand really is exchanging at $0.096 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.68% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. Algo certainly has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $752,355,881, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,894,354, which explicitly is very critical. This in a real sense makes Algorand, Algo, for the most part positioning at 45 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand truly be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Will Algo cost outperform its untouched extremely high in a truly significant manner? These certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, showing that starting around 25 August 2023, Algorand in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.096 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.68% in large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost especially is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of 12 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to fundamentally be 12 cents, exhibiting how Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2023 as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized investigation, in 2023. The Algo cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross a really normal value level of 12 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to sort of be 12 cents, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Algo can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the really most extreme cost for Algorand could in a real sense stretch around 11 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in every practical sense is 10 cents, with a truly normal cost of 11 cents in an essentially enormous manner. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to basically be at around at least 11 cents, exhibiting that this explicitly makes Algorand, Algo, essentially positioning at 45 in the digital currency market, or so they generally thought. Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at a by and large limit of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, showing how Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand explicitly is supposed to for the most part be at around a sort of least of 11 cents, exhibiting that this essentially makes Algorand, Algo, lovely positioning at 45 in the digital currency market, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algorand value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to be at around a for the most part least of 11 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, showing the way that Algorand cost can arrive at a limit of 12 cents, with the really normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, in every practical sense, huge way. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is basically anticipated to especially reach at a for the most part least worth of 12 cents in November 2023. All things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the Algo cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 13 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Algorand, Algo, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand truly is basically anticipated to for the most part arrive at a typical cost of 12 cents. While the coin could exchange between a really limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand genuinely passed value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been for the most part diminished by 0.24%, in its genuinely current worth in a really significant manner. Assuming we basically look at the very current market cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing how Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand explicitly is by and large anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a genuinely least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, in an especially huge way. From most recent 7 days, the algo truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.52%, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand truly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to, in a real sense, dive right in and contribute, which sort of shows that Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand truly is especially anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a very normal cost of 12 cents. While the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 13 cents and a fundamentally least of 12 cents, which especially is genuinely critical, inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo for the most part diminished by 59.184%, taking out an astounding extremely normal amount of 14 cents from its kind of current worth, showing how on the off chance that we for the most part look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap, all things considered, is likewise down, exhibiting how Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand, all things considered, is fundamentally anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, in an especially significant way. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a fundamentally decent sort of purchase and open door for by and large speedy speculation, which in a real sense is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 60.67%, and the value sort of coursed from a kind of least in every practical sense normal cost of 23 cents to sort of most extreme truly normal cost of 25 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand basically is somewhere near 48.60% with the exceptionally greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin generally was around 17 cents, and the essentially least in every way that really matters. Normal cost of generally was around 16 cents in certainly beyond 4 months, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts. What will fundamentally be Algorand certainly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The algo cost for the most part is estimated to sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 13 cents, with fundamentally least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Showing how Algorand truly is somewhere near 48.60% with the sort of greatest truly normal cost of the coin, basically was around 17 cents, and the essentially least essentially normal cost of truly was around